Today I just got this Fire Brigade lock from eBay UK. It says it's a 4-lever, model number 11. You see these on eBay, they're usually bright yellow, maybe even a different color than that, but most of them I see are bright yellow or either steel like this. And they don't have keys with them. But if you look hard enough, you'll find some that do have keys. This one did have one key that came with it. Now, I'm not quite sure whether this actually has 4 levers or 3. I think it's 3. Check it. Look inside. See if we can count them. But it works fairly well. It locks very snugly. And let's check inside. See what we can see. There. On the far right I see a steel plate. Next to it is a lever with a slit going across the center. Then there's a hole lever. Then another one next to that with a split. But I only see 3. So I don't know where the 4th one is. If there is one at all. We'll lock it up. I'll put it in the vise. And we'll pick it with this Handy Mac pipe tool. And this pick wire, also from Handy Mac. Rotate the tension tool so it engages the bolt. Insert the pick wire. Put some tension on it. Moderate tension. And begin lifting the levers. Starting with the back lever, which I think is number 3. There. Got that open. Now, getting the pick wire out is a major problem. There we go. All right. So that is the 4 or 3 lever Fire Brigade lock. Very easy to pick. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you later.